Hello everybody and welcome back to my informative video done by Don. This video will show you about setting up reverse DNS lookup for IIS 7 IIS and adding a website. So we go straight in by going. Now IIS allows you to add a website on the domain, host a website on the domain by the server, and allow it to be accessible by any client. Now we go straight into by adding new to add roles. When we select add roles, we click next and we click web server IS. Click next, and we can leave this as default, or we could add our whatever we wish to add to it to make it more adjustable to our liking. So we click next on this and click install. While this is installing, I want to go to administrative tools to DNS, and we're going to set up the reverse DNS lookup. So we go into the file lookup zone, right, and we click right click and we click new host. In the new host, we want to name our website. So I want to name this skills, right, and get the IP address 192.168.0.1 and you click add host. So it was added successfully. Click done, and we go to my computer now, go into the C drive, and we go in the NetPub. This is where the websites are being stored. So we create a new folder here. Let's just name it back skills, right, and we leave that. We'll come back to that afterwards. So let's see if the server manager, so it has completed successfully. So we click close on that. Now what we want to do is go back to the web server, Internet Information Services Manager. Right, so this is what manages all the websites that the web server hosts, right? So we're going to pull along this. We're going to go to sites, and you see in here it have different sites, but I want to add a new site. So we're going to add a new website. We name this skills, right? Name it skills, SKILS, and the part of it would be where we created the folder in the NetPub folder, right? So that will be here. Click OK, and we set the IP address, and the host name will be skills.theservername.com, and we click OK on that. Right, we just want to create one more. We just want to name this hood AK. Select the physical path. We want to set it as the www.root. So we want to click OK on that. Set the IP address and name this www.hoodak.com, right? So now that they are successfully added, right, we want to go back to the DNS manager, and we want to add this one www, right, and the IP address 192.168.0.1. when you click add host, and you can see the host was successfully added. So when you click done on that, alright, so what we want to do now is test the website. So we're going to go to the Internet Explorer and type in the website name, which was www.hoodak.com. So now we will see the IIS 7 come up. So this is why we created the www.root folder. So in order to show that this website is already active, we want to go back here, go back in the NetPub, the www, and we can edit this edit this notepad, right, and put something into the body of it. So let us put my website, right? I'm going to save it. Right, now that we have done that, let us refresh this. And you can see here is mywebsite.com, and it is accessible, right? So let's just test the other website and see what happens. skills.weebstie.com, and of course we get this error because we do not have anything in the folder. That so what we want to do is go to that folder, create a new text document. Let's name it the same thing, skills. Open, name it HTML, head 1, welcome to this page. Right, we save it as a HTML file. So what we do now is open up the website skills.ak.com and hit enter. So when we hit enter, you see that the welcome to my page has come up, so which means we have successfully added a page to the IIS server. Of course, you can add other different security features to your IIS server manager. So that brings us to the end of this video here. I thank you for watching once again. Do enjoy. Bye bye.